Dr. Pradeep, please.
Very good morning, sir. Thank you so much for your introduction. Yeah, many persons from many consultants, sales manager of Nexus know me. But thank you very much for your for your invitation. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is on behalf of LIC International, Pradeep Mishra. Welcome all of you for this important brief session. So I'll share the screen and right on the job to start the session. I hope screen is visible. Can
It
someone?
is Pradeep.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. On behalf of LIC and on my personal behalf, I extend Happy New Year to all of you. Season's greetings, as well as a new beginning of productive relationships. So we just finished 2020. It is full of ups and downs. However, business was good, but end of the year for our industry, there has been a drastic change, total 360-degree turnaround. So maybe still the challenges is on the head in 2021, but hopefully with the skills and technology which we are developing, slowly it will also go away and we'll be back to the flying colors, which sir has very rightly said about the place. And I'll just start from there itself. So friends, thank you for your time. Today, I am going to give you a guaranteed dividends on your today's date with me. Another 35-40 minutes, something which I'm going to sort it out. I'll tell you what customers is today's need is, and what maybe some of you must be thinking queries from the customer. They have certain apprehensions today's who is looking for a guaranteed returns on investments. Uh, there will be some customer, I'm not saying everyone, but there are customer who look for a guaranteed returns on investments, who wanted to achieve a short-term financial goals, not for a very long term, but a very short-term financial goals. They're also looking for a easy liquidity of funds. They should not block their funds for a long term. So they're looking for easy liquidity of funds without losing capital also, and yield also should not be much compromised. And also the investment yield should be better than any FCNR and bank FDs, because the guarantee is always with the cost. So it should be better than FCNR and bank FDs, especially in an era of low return, low investment yield market. So these people wondering where to invest for securing your future. And many of you who has the expertise in the financial planning, and those who are in market, providing a service to the customer, providing a advice to the customer, you must be thinking for a plan which will be providing all these benefits. So friends, here I am on behalf of LIC. Next 30 minutes, LIC International will offer solutions to all the above concerned through a sensational scheme. And why I call sensational, you will agree after end of the sessions, because when we launched the product last week and this week, it's a huge response from the market, which was almost like a cramp happened after 14th October 2020. There was a very cramp in the market, which has now been coming up. So I'll take this next 30 minutes to understand you. So friends, presenting a guaranteed return plan, some of things which I'll share in two parts, one about the plan and then about the USPs with certain facts and figures available with the financial data. So first of all, let us understand the product first. Presenting guaranteed return plans is, name of the plan is New Future Bright, New Future Smart, sorry. A 5-year guaranteed return single premium plans. Plan number is 258. I'm sure many of you have gone through the illustrations and all, but this is how the plan is: 258, 100% guaranteed return on investment. So this is the plan's first, you can say, the captions of the plan. Another caption is also its highest interest rates on FCNR USD deposit and excellent fixed deposit kind of schemes for NRI investment. Also, those who are looking for a guaranteed return for them also, this is another captions of the plan. There is another way of starting with the plan is it's a guaranteed as well as this 5 years guaranteed maturity, and we call it as LIC's FCNR plan. Officially, we can't treat it with that name, but it can be understood in that way because we designed this product considering FCNR market in focus only, to have certain things in guaranteed form where customer generally put money in FCNR, they should come to LIC. So what is the basic conditions friends here? This is a short-term single premium investment policies offering guaranteed annual return of 2.30%, 23 per thousand guaranteed bonus on the premium which you pay. Sometimes you get 2.35 also, but minimum is 2.30%. Term is fixed, term is 5 years. Entry age is completed age of 18. So those who have completed 18, they can enter, and NBD is a nearing birthday of 65. So 65 years, 5 months, and that 29 days also can be included in this plan. Minimum premium is 35,000. Maximum premium is no limit. Subject to one policy should not be more than 1 million. Thereafter in multiple. So let us take if somebody wants to invest for 5 million policies, 5 million, he can invest, but he will get 5 policy of 1 million each. Like somebody investing 1.5 million, so he can have 1 million one and another 500,000 second. So this is how, so maximum per policy is 1 million, but as such, there is no limit on the premium, subject to fine sell underwriting. Maturity benefit is basic sum assured plus top up plus guaranteed addition, but let us take it sum assured plus top up plus guaranteed bonus. Death benefit, there is an additional death benefit because bonus is paid only after completion of the year, but in case death happens, bonus 1 year extra guaranteed addition is paid. So 1 year return is more if anything happens to as a death benefits. Guaranteed addition is added on the beginning of the year. The moment you take a policies, next day itself guaranteed addition added for the death claim. So if anybody dies today, you take the policy and next year he dies, so he gets whatever he invested that plus 1 year extra bonus. So now we'll come to the illustrations we'll understood now. Loan and surrender. So there is a locking of 1 year. After 1 year, he can take loan also, he can surrender the policy also. So that is how the plan's basic condition is. We can summarize it in two ways. Rest everything, assignment is available, nomination is by default happening in all the policies. So this is how simple product is. Now there are certain important checkpoints which we must understand while calculating the plans is. Already you could have gone through the illustrations, you must have understood it, but then also just for the sake of repetitions, minimum premium is 35,000. I have made the illustrations which is very easy. You have to put just the input amount, rest everything is calculated. So here also, but the bifurcation how it is done, I'll tell you. Like if somebody is taking a minimum premium of 35,000, so minimum basic sum assured is 25,000 plus top up it 10,000. So there is a discount on basic sum assured. Only on 25,000 there will be certain discount of premium, maybe $100, $50, $75. After that, it is in multiple of thousands. So in input amount, you have to put like 35,000, 36,000, 37,000 and go on. So it is not in hundreds, it is in thousands only. That is one point. Maximum is also, maximum input amount you can keep up to 1 million. Beyond that, they will not accept. So policy has to be in the multiple of millions. You cannot give one quote of 5 million. So 1 million, if somebody is investing 5 millions multiplied by 5 quotes, in that basic sum assured will be fixed 25,000 and top up will be 975,000. So by default, total 1 million. Premium with the levy may increase 1 million. So you don't have to worry for that. Levy is separate tax. So it may go beyond 1 million also. So that is also acceptable. Minimum investment amount more than 1 million will be in multiple of policies, subject to each policy have a total premium less than 1 million. And I'm sure everybody now clear on this point. This is the small checkpoints to go when you prepare the calculation. You should not have any confusion on that. So now I'll directly go to the illustration sheet and then we'll show you and then I'll come to the presentation. So the illustration sheet says, I'm sure you must have received this illustration sheet, which is as per BOD 49, there are certain things which was not there in old type of illustrations, which we try to include here in a very, very transparent manner, made it attractive so that it is easy to understand. Yeah, only three cell you have to gain. Like name you can key in with the customers. You can put the date of birth. So by default, age will be calculated, and the input amount you can put like 35,000. So by default, everything will be calculated here. If so, let us take mode of premium single basic sum assured. This will come like if you change 100,000. So this automatically everything will change here. So you don't have to worry for everything. So here just calculation purpose, whatever you want to put, that you can put it here. Below that, this is a basic sum, basic single premium. So this comes on the basic sum assured plus top up. So there is a discount which I was talking about. There is a discount on the basic sum assured. Basic sum assured comes in terms of maturity and death benefit, but the calculating of premium surrender value, the premium comes. So let us take basic sum assured is 24,919. So there is a discount here, plus top up is 10. So total 34,919, levy of 0.2% is 69. So total premium which will be taken from customer will be 34,988.84. And in AD is multiplied by 3.68 is this. So after guarantee, after 5 years, he is going to get a guaranteed maturity of 39,025. That comes annual return of 2.35%. So friends, this will be printed on the policy documents also. Okay, this much is a premium, this much is a top up, this much is a guaranteed maturity, which will be received after 5 years. This is just to make attractive. We put it amount paid this, amount maturity amount this. Now there is illustrative values under below this plan, which is now as per BOD 49. There is some formats which has to be observed. Here we have put it in a simple term so you understand very well. Let us take from day one. From day one, if you take, why I'm talking day one, because death benefit comes immediately after next day. So if somebody invested 34,919, this is annualized premium in single premium. So guaranteed death benefit is 1 year bonus extra. So 23,000 plus $23,000 per $23 per thousand sum assured. So it will be added by 23 multiplied by 35. That will be added here as a guaranteed death benefit. After that, 1 year, 1 day, so extra one year guaranteed addition is added. So this is how the death benefit is calculated. Maturity is end of the term. There is 2 surrender values here. Try to understand this. I'll try to make it very clear here so that you should understand it very well when you sit with the clients. If you see all LIC policies of the past, you will find in policy terms and condition, you will have the guaranteed surrender value, as well as company will declare a special surrender value, whichever is more will be payable at the time of surrender. And when a special surrender value is declared on before launch of the product, until unless company change in future, that is treated as a guaranteed amount also. In this case, I'll tell you, this is guaranteed is minimum 95% of the premium paid. So this is a guaranteed amount, which was already there in all old plans. But in earlier 10 years, 15 years, whatever plan you have seen in LIC selling it, it was only a special surrender value only, which was coming in the illustrations. But we were not mentioning anywhere as a guaranteed surrender value because that was irrelevant when we are putting a special surrender value. So here also, special surrender value is a formula which will be printed in the policy documents also. Earlier it was not there. Now it will be totally disclosed in the policy documents. After 1 year, 1 year is a locking. Second year, if anyone surrenders, he gets 102%. And third year, if he surrenders, he gets 104% of premium plus top up, whatever total premium is paid. After third year, he gets surrender 107%, and after 4th year, he gets 110%, and 5th year is the maturity. Now here question comes, there is one caveat which has been put up, because a special surrender value is, as on today, when we approve the product from insurance authority, we certified by the actuaries and approved by the insurance authority. So for us, you can treat, if somebody takes today, it is a guaranteed a special surrender value also. A special surrender value is also guaranteed. But in future, there is a caveat which has been added, and that is somewhere we call it as a, we can't exactly terminate with the force majeure clause, but it is like that if something goes so wrong to the company or in a future market, So the company can change the special surrender value, and that also has to be submitted to the insurance authority and has to be approved. It's not like that tomorrow I'll send a circular and it will change. No. So that is why it is not linked to the market or market conditions. It is a company's own financial conditions. Based on that, if something which is not viable, it has to be sent back to insurance authority and then it has to be changed. So that is why we call it as a non-guaranteed for understanding purpose. So in surrender quote, it is rightly mentioned if you find in the red color in between, and maximum of the two will be paid. So this is how the plan is. So I treat it as if very transparent to understand. If you see last 30 years, LIC has never changed the surrender value because financially we are coming on stronger and stronger and stronger. So in future also, whatever product, even many people doesn't know that all the product which we told 246, new Future Smart, earlier old Future Smart, 546, thousands, millions of premium has been brought, but it was only a special surrender value. And nobody understood because we were not putting it as a guaranteed separate and a special separate. Now we have to put it as per BOD's illustrations. So that is why let us make it very clear that even this is also guaranteed from an understanding purpose. That is number one. Loan is also available after 1 year, 80% of the surrender value, like a special surrender value, which will be paid. And there is a two declaration here, consultant's name and consultant's email ID, mobile number, you can utilize it, which is for the benefits. So this is simple illustrations which you can make it. Now I'll come to the presentation. Okay, so now I'll talk about certain truth behind this product. 5 unique sales points, because that is why I told you that the product is very, very sensational, available for a very, very short period. Don't assume this product will go for 6 months or 4 months, 5 months, not more than, I don't think more than 28th February. That is what my guess is. So it's a short term because interest rates, we are in a very, very extremely low era of interest rates, and getting anything in that range of investment is very, very difficult for insurance company to bring. That is one of the reason we are the only company which is coming with a guaranteed short-term investments. Otherwise, long-term, we have a PEP and other schemes 9 years, but there was a demand for 5 years. So we try to bring it with a very, very difficult position. But then also it is the most unique and very, very attractive in current situation. So 5 unique sales points. The number one, I'll tell you, offering a guaranteed annual return of more than 2.3% in USD for 5 years. It is, I challenge, it is much better than any bank FCNR. You can get 1 or 2 exceptional bank which may give you more than this, but you know how banks liquidity positions, and you have to see their asset class, their credit situations of the bank. Otherwise, mostly with the data I will try to show you, it is our rates are much, much higher than that. But how it is, let me prove that. So first I'll tell you the FCNR rates. This is 4th January updates. And if you see the good banks on top, on the 5 years, I have done it in a chronological order. Kotak, SDFC, these two are almost, they are not charging money from you to keep the fund in dollar account. If you go to the RBI site and find the Forex and FCNR investments of different banks, you will find top 3, among top 3, SDFC comes number 1, in spite of giving 0.03%. So try to understand, still people park money in dollar just to hold the money in dollar, nothing else. So they are not charging. We are not in a country like Japan as of now, but it is, we are inching towards that. This is how these two banks indicates. Axis banks, ICICI banks, Union banks, state banks is less than 1% from 0.60 to 0.96. Bank of Baroda 1%, Federal Bank, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra. There is one bank intentionally which I have not mentioned, but I'll tell you, that is IndusInd Bank. That is also giving 1.7% for 5 years. So you can just go and check on, do some Googling, you will find out the latest, and this is much, much volatile now. Generally, FCNR rates was not getting changed every month. every fortnight. Now you can change, sometimes some banks are changing in a week time also. So this you should understand, we are giving much, much higher returns where the quality banks are giving. So this you can understand, this is one point. Number two, real truth is SDFC Kotak Bank is offering almost zero return in USD. The top bank like SBI, ICICI, SDFC Kotak offering is less than 0.96, all due to uncertainty of future USD market and why people are not able to control it. So LIC International is still continue to offer a very high return in fixed and assured return segments. But the question comes, many of the good clients who is a businessman here in Dubai and Abu Dhabi or in UAE, they will not invest in FCNR, they will invest here in a bank FDs. So, okay, I have brought certain UAE banks, all over whatever banks we have, I brought the FD rates also. You should know that. What is the FD rates? Emirates NBD Bank is as on 6th January. If you invest for 48 to 59 months in AED, you are getting 0.05%. In USD, you're getting nothing. And 5 years, you get a 0.20%. This is how the rates are there. ADCB FD rates in privileged banking, not a retail banking, privileged banking. This is the ADCB banks rates are, which you can take a screenshot if you like to utilize it for your marketing. Because sometimes when you sit with the clients, he say, no, I'm getting this, but the proof is in front of you. Of course, there will be some corporate FDs which may differ, but this is, I'm talking about a regular clients. RAC Bank is slightly better than these above two banks because of the credit facility. They have this fixed deposit rates in AED and USD, you see almost less than 1%. HSBC, let us go on out of some international bank. HSBC, if you see the AED FD rates are in 0.3% maximum and USD 0.05%. So if you see, nobody is crossing, no banks are crossing more than 1%. So this is what I wanted to show in front of you. Apart from that, this is exact IBOR rates, where you call it as the IBOR of this market, UAE market, Emirates interbank offer rates. So if you see here, latest rates which has been closed at on 31st December was 0.65%. This is what rates, so low interest era, and which will have, we call it as if all instruments which has been designed based on this and nearing to that. So guarantee is always with the cost. So if the average index is 0.65% for 1 year, so your return cannot be 5%, 4%, 3% like that. So you have to run behind that if you are looking for a quality investment options. Historical data, if you say, this is the last till 29, the 2017-18 was highest IBOR rates. So that was the time when we also come with the scheme of 4.5%, 5% of guaranteed return. In some of the time, longer terms, 10 years term, 6% also. But now we are in an era of less than 1%. Federal rates is almost like zero. Recently, 10 years federal bonds have been launched USD, that is giving 1%. So this is how the market is being controlled with the interest rates. And when we talk about guarantee, this is how we have to compare. Now, friends, let us understand the reality. When bank FDs are less than 1% to zero, FCNRs are below 1%, then which instrument customer will invest? That question comes. I'm sure many of will be asking these questions, that there are clients which switch to bonds. See, yesterday also I had a session with the bonds with a very large group of people, but today I'll tell you the bonds which differentiate between us in 2 slides. I'll tell you what are bond yield percentage in current market. And that is, if you see the bond spread, it has increased a lot. Means there are bonds which is giving a very high return, and whereas there are bond which are good rating agencies of AA plus and above, you will find a very low yield. It means the spread is always a risk of investments. More bond yield, more risk, lower ratings. This is how the important is. But how, I'll tell you, if anything asked for bond, like us, if somebody invests with LIC, there are hardly any risk of instrument, because we have seen in last 30 years, and there are certain things which is being followed in current market. there are bond is always with the risk. Many of the customer doesn't understand this. They believe that even if it is launched with the name of national, with the name of some company, it is a guaranteed. It is not. There is always a risk of investments in that. You have to understand, again, based on the appetite, you can go on. It's not a bad instrument to invest. It has to be in your portfolio, but it has to be comparison, has to be on a equal platform. How much risk you are taking just for getting how much interest? For 0.5% you are taking a risk of all these risks, or you are taking just a moderate risk but you are getting a very handsome return. So these are the risks which you will find it, which had to be understood before selling of the bonds. The quote from this, I'll tell you, who is bearing the risk on bond investments? I'm sure everybody will agree that it is a customer themselves. But when the same client invest in LIC of nearing same yield in our scheme of Future Smart, LIC International takes all worries of various risks which we told to them. So this is how it differentiates where you are mitigating risk. You yourself are owning the risk. Of course, you are going to get a better yield. But when you are transferring risk to some company, then I'm sure your yield has to be in that form. So make your client know this truth, because if you invest with the LIC, you are most secure. That is first point. There is one, again, a golden mantra, which always I believe, and I told people on every point, there is only one letter, F and N. Remember, return of capital is more important than return on capital. You have seen the Franklin fiasco in India. There are plenty of banks which has been in doldrums, where almost tons of money has been stuck up. If you see Franklin's in India, almost 26,000 crore rupees are blocked in overnight. And people are still going here and there, and they are not able to got even a single penny. So this is how much risk appetite a customer has. Based on that, whether he is looking for a liquidity, is a security and guaranteed, and then return of capital or return on capital. So these has to be understood in a better way. And I'm sure as an advisor, this is our job, is to tell the customer, again, choices them to understood. So truth, friends, with the first USP is we still offer a very competitive best return in guaranteed and assured investment products in whole UAE market. Try to have this points very clear. That is number one. Now, USP number two, I'll find that is one of the best thing which you will not find in anywhere in any of the investments instrument. That is by virtue of being an insurance company. In case of FD investments, death happens, you'll get an interest of the completed term only. But here, even if one day, then also you get a 1 year extra death claim. So that 1 year extra guaranteed additions in case of death claim, that is addition in this plan, and that gives you more benefit. If you go on this, you have the same calculation. If you see the below part, this is 1 year extra. By paying one, even next day anything happens, he get 35,805. So 1 year extra interest he got, even anything happens. That is USP number two. Now, there is a third USP, is USP number three, and that is called easy liquidity. Mostly if you find any of the investments where if you are getting a guaranteed a very high return, liquidity is always a stake. You will not be able to get a liquidity so easily, or even if you have to go, then you have to bear some cost for it. This was also having my old earlier scheme, similar issues where liquidity of 2 years, 3 years were always a tough if you go for 5 years investments, but not this time. This time we come out with a conscious decisions to bring out more flavor in the product. So if you go on liquidity after 1 year, 100% capital protection in case of premature surrender, because after 1 year, 1 day, you get 102% as a special surrender value, which is guaranteed from day one. So 2% interest also you got at the end of the term. Also 100% your capital is protected, which you will find is a differentiating clause in the market if somebody wants to go for a larger investments. That if you can say this part of a special surrender value, which I have told you when I shown the illustration. So this is the USP number three. The USP number four is, friends, I'll tell you, this is 100% non-medical cases. Generally, we feel difficulties in selling LIC policies because of the medical requirements, this and that. Here, friends, it's now easy completion. We design the product in such a way that you should not have any medical requirements, only financial requirements based on the fund, which is the general rules of LICs, and the KYCs, which Emirates ID, passport, and what you require. So this is very easy to complete. We have circulated the forms also, in which we have reduced the signatures. Only 3 or 4 signatures are required. Editable forms are also there, so you can utilize it as a digitalized form also. That is another changes which we am trying to make on this label. That is number 4 USPs. Number 5, friends, I'll tell you, and that makes this product more sensational, is no company with the guarantee word comes with similar products in market as of now. So friends, no company other than LIC offering this post BOD 49. So try to understand this. I think this 5 USP can be narrated when we discuss the plan with the customers. I should get an comparison on that. So why should investing again? It's most handy when FCNR rates are on decreasing side, and if you see the all data of S&P, Fitch, or Deloitte, everybody say by 2023 we are going to have the same low interest rates. Somebody say low interest rates will increase. Of course, it will increase, but do you think the 0.6% IBOR will go on 6%? It will never, because never in the history has crossed 3.15. So try to have that things into mind. Customer looking for guaranteed return for short time. Equities are booming now. People are making profits, but that is for a long-term investment. Those who entered in July, August, they must have got a good yield. I can't say whether it is a bubble or it is holding back or making profits. That's a different topics to understood. But here for a short term, without any worries, anytime liquidity, somebody is thinking, then I think this is the best scheme for them. And return of 2.3% is, I personally believe it's a very, very guaranteed, very, very competitive. And those who are working in this market in a guaranteed segments, they still feel it is amongst the most popular return-oriented plan brought by the LIC. Plan has the capacity to bring high volume of investment trends. Initially, we had tapped, when we designed the product, we capped maximum 1 million from one customer. But after that, we try to leverage it immediately. One discussion with the consultants or make it per policy. So if some big clients can invest, we can go for it. Shift bank deposits in this plan and earn incentive as additional, which I'm sure will add value to your regular income. Don't look for minimum premium of 35,000, 50,000. Dubai is a hub of larger, and this product is especially designed for HNIs who can invest in millions. You can look for it. You can get a very handsome revenues on that by simply sharing one proposal and getting job done. It's not percentage of commission, friends. Again, I'll tell you, it's about absolute amount which you'll earn by minimal work. Remember, if you don't go, someone else will definitely talk about it. And there will be vibration in market. There has been vibration in market, which we have started. And if you are a financial advisor of your HNI clients, if he listens about this great scheme from someone else other than you, this will not be a very good, it will be an embarrassing for you. So friends, brand LIC at its best with 100% guaranteed return plans. Remember, this is available for a very, very limited period, because I'll tell you, we have certain budget we set for it. If you done that, we'll close this scheme, because we cannot have any liabilities of investment in planning. So the moment we reach that mark, I can't tell you, but that moment we reach it, we immediately will switch on without any notice. Next morning it will be withdrawn. So this is what are just a pre-indications to you. Friends, already grand launch we have done on 7th of January. There has been a beginning of this product. Plenty of marketing is happening from all the sides. Some of the ideas which I will definitely would like to share, that is my baby. I always treat it that product is just 1%, 99% is the strategy which we follow to promote that product. Let it be any product of the market. So it's starting with the sales strategy, follow-up. So some of the things which I can tell you with the easy doing, immediately you should list down your prospects before 4 p.m. today. Why I'm talking about 4 p.m. Let us put a deadline for LIC. If you want to work for the LIC, let us not have a habit of, if client asks you, tell me anything about the LIC, then only you should approach. I think you should prepare something for LIC and then observe whether I am able to get or not. So this is called a real financial planner. So there will be client who will look for LIC, list it down, make them aware through any messaging, let it be in emails, all channels of social medias, wherever you possible, publicize it. This is what our job is, and don't treat it as they will call you only for LIC. Sometimes LIC will be entry, you can sell something else. Friends, leads from existing clients. I personally believe which everyone is doing in this market is telecalling. I think scripts must have been shared by my brokers team of Kingstar to you. And if not, kindly ping me, I'll send you to you. There are certain points which I've listed on based on the presentation which I've shared, and something which you can additionally talk about. Emails with a quote. I personally believe you can have a practice of prepare a quote rather sending an email about the plans. You assume that this is a good for me. You prepare a quote of my appetite, considering 100,000, 500,000, 1 million, and send across me, and then give a call on the next morning. Go through it. It's one of the best proposal we have as of now. If you have money, invest it. If not, no problem. This is just I got some good instruments. I look for in sharing with you. Friends, this will give you double confidence. Customer will not treat it as you are chasing for investments. Customer may treat it, okay, it is like an investment information share, and it treated you as an unbiased, neutral advisor. So this is what I personally believe and practice it. If I receive just as an option that this is a good option, sir, if you have some money, look for it. Other than that, there is no further discussion. If he's interested, then further we can go on discussion about the plans. I would request to have to save the time. Zoom, this now, pandemic has taught us to meet people in a cluster way. I have been a freelancer speaker for many of the platforms in India and different countries where customer meetings are happening, customer get-togethers are happening, consultants are holding HNI meetings on Zoom and on a virtual platform. I look forward. You should also have a brief 15-20 minutes of nutshell about the plans. Those who are interested, they will look for it. Gives a timeline of 1 week. So this is how you can do with less energy, more reaching out to the customer. Strong self-belief, I personally believe, along with the power in your points. There should not be only PPTs. Sometimes people ask for PPTs, but friends, PPT, I personally believe, is just a writing message. There should be power in your points. So this will make you different in the market. So friends, my urge from all of you is use this plan as an entry to prospects, because this will short-term memories immediately will invite you to have a meeting. And when you sit with them and when you do the need analysis and risk questionnaire, you and Nexus has been a great financial etiquettes which you are following in the market. I think other plans, whichever is available as a savings or PEP, which is one of the best scheme we are having in the market in guaranteed segment of child education, should be pieced along with that. Focus on professional education plan is going to be 2021 trump card. Remember me, please don't ignore that. That is going to be a very, we are working on a project and that will change the entire market scenario in a guaranteed segment. So friend, I'll stop here. This is what from the plan. Anything you'd like to ask, you can ask me. Thank you very much. I hope my number or everybody is having email ID and my number, or Raju sir is there for that. So will be anytime I'll be available for your suggestion. Now I shifted to Dubai, so I'm located in Dubai. So I look forward many more interactions in the days to come. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pradeep. That was, I think, for this particular product, I think it does do justice in every way. I know there are others. We have even discussed about the regular income plan, which is series of PEPs. So probably we will get to that in the next stage. Today, let's focus on this product. Any doubts that you have, any other clarifications that you may need, please unmute yourself and you can ask questions.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Cynthia.
Sir, there is any charges for the top up?
No charges.
From the first year?
No
onwards?
charges. No charges.
Sindhu,
And
Sindhu, 1 minute. If you are referring to top-ups after the policy is issued, that is not possible.
Yeah.
You cannot do a top-up on an existing plan. You have to take a new one.
That is I'm a regular. If the customer is going for a regular top up, like
No,
after
no.
it is not
That is
possible.
not possible. Like somebody has invested 50,000 now. After 1 month, he come with another 50,000. He has to take another policies. He cannot invest in the same policy.
Okay, sir. And the total, how much charges it is coming to this one, sir, for the charge side?
Chart size, charges or chart? What you want?
Charge.
Charge. Okay.
I'll tell you, our products of LIC is inclusive of all charges. So let us not go in that. I'll tell you whatever customer pay and whatever we are giving. Charges comes into picture when the returns are not assured, which is based on some market. So charges, people try to understand that how much I'm bearing the cost, and so based on that he can understand the performance. Here everything is inclusive of that. Whatever premium you pay, how much you are going to get the maturity, how much will be the surrender value, is it easily written like an FD. So there is no charges as such in the product outside whatever he mentioned in the illustrations.
Right. Sindhu, if you need
Okay.
if you need clarification on the commission, yes, I think we've already circulated. Kareen is here. Kareen, have we circulated the commissions on this
I'm
product?
going to check with Squeezy, but it should have been done. If it's not been done, it will be done today or tomorrow.
Sure. Okay.
Okay.
That probably gives you an idea about the charge, but again, it's not. It is irrelevant in a product like this where there is bonus. All
Okay,
right.
sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone
Thank
else?
you,
Dr.
sir.
Pradeep Zafar here. One
Go
question.
ahead.
Yeah.
In the illustration, there is a 0.2% as a levy, government levy.
Yeah.
Is this for the government of India or for the UAE government?
No. It is a UAE. It is there in all policies.
Mhm.
Not from today. It is for many years. But earlier we combined it in the illustration itself, so nobody understood that it is a levy is included in that.
Okay.
So now we have to separately inform that this is a premium and this is a levy.
Because
this is
I
a
don't-
UAE government. Even any insurance company is including in that. It's not only LIC. Everyone has to pay.
But I've not seen in any other illustration as a
Yeah,
levy.
because that is why any other illustration was already there, but it was added in the premium. So
Okay.
your premium was automatic. I mean, I can hide that seat, but it doesn't look nice. People should know that because then calculation will have a problem. Because if you hide $70,
Hmm.
then what will happen? 102% of premium paid is a surrender value.
Okay.
So that $70 will always give you, because on levy there is no surrender value, no?
Hmm.
So always on the premium. So I'll share the sheet and you will understand it. See here, if you see what is the total premium? Total premium is 34,919.
Right.
Correct.
Okay.
So this if you do 102% of 34,919. So
Yeah.
if you add on this 70 again, we'll have 70 plus 2% is around $84. There will be difference here. So that is
Oh,
a
okay.
calculation mismatch. Again, more objections and queries will start coming from the customer.
Okay.
So that is why levy has to be separated, and it is there in every policy. If you see pension plans, we are saying if you bring 100,000, you get $200 as a levy. So it is
Okay.
there in every, even 202, which we were selling earlier, pen or any plan, every plan. But that time in illustrations, we added the 0.02%, 0.2%. So it was not understood by you, but it is there.
Okay.
Zafar,
And
in
one
case
more
of-
thing.
Zafar, in case
Yeah.
of plans like Zurich and others,
Yeah.
the 1.6% ongoing charge every
Right.
year would probably, every year or even in the first year, it may have included levy. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And one more thing is, let's say the client is surrendering after 1 year for any reason. So the surrender value, I mean, the growth rate is shown as 2%. Correct?
Yes.
Is
Yeah.
there any other charges to be taken out at that time?
No. It is totally whatever amount is mentioned, there will not be difference of $1 also.
Okay.
Even a 0.65 is mentioned, it will be 0.65 only.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Pradeep.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, there is any that Sharia complaint for the Islamic customers? It's included here. The fund selection.
Okay, see the fund we okay. This is we are not going in a fund kind of investment. Generally, you know, we purchase certain securities in the market.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and that is totally complied with. We invest in UAE now. We don't invest outside the UAE. So wherever we choose the investment securities, we don't treat in a compliance form, but we generally we go on a government-oriented securities. So that is by default will be complied with.
So it is according to the fatwa that for the Islamic customers, sometimes they are not looking into that profit part, but they have some reserved money. So I have some customers like that. So they are not even
Yeah,
bothered about.
okay, fine. One-to-one customer, you can reach out to me personally. I'll tell you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, any nationality restriction is there?
Nationality, no. Any nationality you can give.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Suresh, you are saying in chat box the return. Let us not go in mathematics. I'll tell you, I am a PhD in mathematics. So try to understand that part. 39025 is your total benefit, and you are putting the premium, which includes levy. You know, the government taxes doesn't go on any growth period. Whenever any returns are calculated in financial term, of course, your understanding with the premium which you pay, and because levy is also included in that. From financial terminology point of view, like in India, there is a GST. So on GST, there is no return on that. So if you calculate 34,919 instead of 34,988, you will get 2.35. This is what your understanding is. You can put any amount. If somebody is putting taxes, somebody is having taxes pre-tax, post-tax, I think the yield will change on that. So it's not about that my error is there. My error is very correct. If you calculate 39025 divided by 34919, you see the answers you will get, how much it is there. Yeah, any questions? Yeah,
Jain?
special surrender value, Mr. Jain, you can tell it is, I told you very clearly, this is, see, I am authority here. So I can tell you how the products are designed by company. So we keep it a special surrender value as certified by actuaries and approved by IA. So even if LIC is writing that it may change, so it will not change in a normal course. It will change only when it has to be approved by IA with certain logics, and that doesn't happen, friends. 30 years in LIC, wherever you go, there is a special surrender value which doesn't change. So this is what our company's basic understanding of the product while making profit-oriented product. We are coming shortly in ULIP form. Probably we'll have a better understanding of easily surrender value calculations. So you can tell that it is a guaranteed.
Sir, can I ask one more question?
Yeah.
Sir, if the investment in dollar, so when the customer is going for a partial withdrawal or a loan and he having a dollar account here, whether he will get in dollar or only in dirhams, he will get the money.
First of all, partial withdrawal is not allowed. Okay, so sometimes many products, many knowledge gets confused with the simple product. Here either it is a full surrender is allowed or loan is allowed. Number one. Number two, answers to number two question is, he can take, policy will be settled in dollar, but he has a choice of taking money in any currency he wants. Local currency, there is no charges. Any whatever you account you give, we can transfer without any charges. But other than local currency, any inter-country like you want in Indian rupees, you want in Canada, you want in USA. So that country charges will be borne by the customer. Any currency you can take the money. That is the beauty of LIC policies. You can take any currency in any country, the maturity will be settled. Only the settlement amount will be dollar. So at that point of time, what will be the currency rates? That will be multiplied by the maturity amount or surrender amount or death amount, and that will be paid to the beneficiary.
Okay. Sir, for example, if the customer invested here, but after that he went back to his home country, maybe in India. So when the maturity came, that time he was in India. So that time that he having the same problem for he's getting the money in INR, so he need to pay the conversion charges.
Of course, conversion charges, whatever their banks levies, exchange charges, conversion charges, whatever the charges are. I don't think there will be charges from Indian banks. Only charges will be from here transferring bank, and that comes to, if Indian rupees, it is not much, but from transferring from AED to our India, generally it is around 25 to 30 dirhams is the charges. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. one question. The client has to be resident of UAE?
Yeah, that is the primary mandatory conditions. He has to hold the residence visa of this country. He must have Emirates ID and passport visa, valid resident visa.
Okay, thank you.
Anand? Okay.
Yes, Raju.
You had a question?
Miss Asa Kapoor has sent a question. I'll take it first. That can the plan be encashed within 1 year? No, ma'am. It is not possible. It can be withdrawn only after 1 year. Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Anand.
No, sorry, I didn't have a question.
Okay, thanks. No question, so there are two meanings for it. You like the plan most, and now next is you did not like anything.
It's the first one.
First one. Appreciate that. Thank you.
Right. I'm sure there will be questions once you start working on the illustrations.
Yeah.
Harish is asking for the telecalling script, or no, the script that you send along with the illustration or something. Dr. Pradeep, if you could please share, I'll be sharing it with the rest of the team. Okay.
Okay, it has not raised to you?
I don't think so.
Okay, Let me, I'll forward it.
Sure. Okay. Right. If you have any more doubts, no, particularly Sindhu will have many doubts because she will plunge into it head first, and I'm sure she's going to write lots of policies. Please do put them in an email, Sindhu, and we will get the answers from Dr. Pradeep later. All right.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Any more 1 or 2 questions before we close the meeting, please? Or I would even go to the extent, Dr. Pradeep, if you would like to touch upon briefly on the other products that we have, and 1 or 2 salient points, because people are still a little unclear about those, and we haven't seen much of activity in that area. So if you can just touch upon the other products as well.
Okay. See, I talked about 257, so I'll tell you on that part. I don't know how many of you have worked on the old PEP. Basically, when we talk about child education plan, and when we prepare a financial pyramid of a customer, so generally, we distribute the money based on their risk portion after protections part, and then we go for a low risk of investments, that is sure guaranteed investment, and they go on a risk on investments, which we call it as a ULIP, mutual fund equity investments. On a low cost, on a low risk and guaranteed instrument, there are certain sure events that has to be planned, which I personally believe if you are planning a customer's professional education plan or professional education of their child, 2 things are very, very important. First things, based on the age and their education timing, that event is surely going to happen. Maybe after 15 years, 10 years, 5 years, 20 years, or whenever it is going to happen, it is surely going to happen. So there is a rule in financial planning that if there is a sure event, around 25–30% of that amount has to be planned with the sure product. Means the plan which is going to be a guaranteed return. That is number 1. Number 2, Other than that, over and above, because the inflation is rising, cost is rising, can be planned based on the risk attitude of the customer through equity or a mutual fund investment. So should not be everything on that. So my PEP, if you talk about the current PEP, that is giving almost like 2.5% of guaranteed bonus, guaranteed addition, same plan for the age group from 0 to 13. So the script has to be changed. Earlier, what we used to sell that LIC is offering 4% guarantee return. So there was a welcome invitation for have a meeting. Now that should not be the script. Now has to be, now when we plan for a sure event, first you calculate the cost of education, how much is required. So I'll just open the illustration and for you, and then we will try to have that part. Just give me a minute. So these illustrations, I think you are having, this is 257, is a professional education plan, new professional education plan. If you see friends, now the script should not be a return. Script should be on planning of this. The first thing which we say, that since you are staying in a UAE, you have a chance, you have options of investments in dollars. So planning for educations in dollar, always every parent wants, because you always have two choices. If your child at the age of 18, 15, you don't know, if you look for West, then always having dollar currency is over any other currency. Number two, even if your child wants to study in India, back to Indian market, then also you have a better US dollar versus INR conversion after 10, 15 years of time. So for that purpose, anything investments in dollar is first diversifying the portfolio. That is number one. Number two, rather going on investment yield, let us first calculate how much money you require for the educations. Let us take 18 years of age, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So total every year for education purpose, 20,000 is required. That is what we presume as of now from current market. And after 5 years, 10 when your child is also growing up, you will get to know how much cost. So you can again do the top up with some other instruments to get it. But at least this much part, that may be around 35-40% of the education cost required after 10-15 years. Let us take in this example, 6 is the age of the child. So after 12 years, he is going to get 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 for 5 years, and the guaranteed bonus end of the term. Now in the new plan, I'll tell you the PWB benefit is a very, very extremely low to take. If you go on investment on full term policies, you say if you go on a monthly, which is very easy for you to understand, hardly not even $1,000 monthly, he is going to get this much 142,000 of coverage. If you go on limited payments, it's almost like a 19,000 monthly dollar. 5 years payment, and with the benefit of PWB. Earlier PWB was a bit costly. Now it is almost cheap. If you calculate a PWB of 100,000, it is like $11. You just assume monthly $11, adding $11. If you remove it, no, it will be hardly 1,888. And if you put a yes, so this is a difference is hardly $11 monthly. You get a coverage of 100,000 on the life of parents for waiving of premium. So, and this facility is not available with any of the scheme other than insurance. I'll tell you, there are other companies parallel, they have copied our schemes, but they are giving guarantee of 1%. I'll tell you, we are giving a guaranteed bonus of 2.5% without naming those company, I can tell you. So this is how the worth of the product is on terms of guarantee. So the script has to be how much money is required, how much he has to pay for 5 years. So roughly around 20,000, let us take yearly premium. If you calculate, this comes around 22,000. He has to pay for 5 years, and he is going to get a benefit $142,000. So this is how the products are defined. Easy calculations, easy surrender value. Also, if you go on the second part, he is not going to lose a capital after he is paid. So he's going to get certain amount. If you say, if you pay for 5 years is secure for 105 is going to get. So he's not going to lose. Here also, if you see the special surrender value, generally a special surrender value is lower in initial terms, so the guaranteed will be paid. But after payment of survival benefits, means a scholarship which will be paid after age 18, 19, 20, the surrender value of a special part becomes more than the guaranteed part. If you see at the age of 20, if somebody wanted to come out of the scheme, he has received 60,000, but he is going to get 76,000 more. So this is how the products are designed. In 2-page illustrations have been prepared. So have work on this. This is going to be a trademark, especially, when anything you wanted to plan for a guaranteed part, which I personally believe 3 benefits are there in the product. One, if parents are not there, premiums are waived. So that's emotional marketing you can do. Guaranteed amount, which is going to secure after 18, 19, 20. So let us not look for return, look for the absolute amount company he is going to get. Return is between 2.5, 2.25 to 0.5% of a guaranteed compounding return, because it's a regular mode of premium. So I'll talk about CAGR, IRR on this, not having annual returns. Annual returns will be a bit more also. So we are not going on that. So this is how the products of PEP is designed. Other than that, I don't know which are those plans which has been discussed with you, but this plan, which is my favorite plan, especially when we talk about insurance, when we talk about the child's education planning, when we talk about anything where sure events are concerned, I think in this market, LIC's PEP in dollars offering guaranteed returns has an edge over any other scheme. So you can have one of the basket. If you plan for $1,000 monthly from a customers, add $200, $300 monthly with this scheme also, along with other equity schemes which you are doing. That is what I would suggest to have a financial planning process continue with the LICs. This is point number 2. On this, if you can ask any questions, so we can leverage on that.
All right. Friends, I think from the market that we operate, the existing client base of ours, I think majority of them should be able to afford this product at $35,000 in a guaranteed product. And in every portfolio, I think as advisors, one of our primary advice would be that you should diversify your assets and even your savings, and you should have something in a guaranteed segment. And they, at present, I don't see anything else which can fit the bill in terms of both flexibility as well as high return. I think we all have been used to, for a very, very long time, of discussing high returns on unit linked, etc. We have had the longest bull market that we have seen, thanks to the bull who is presiding over the largest economy of the world, who is likely to go out very soon. But then what happens? I'm sure in the next 5 years, there could be a dip. There could be a serious recession. That people are talking about many such things. So it might be in the interest of the client to safeguard some part of their wealth in a guaranteed product. That's my take on it. So with that, if there are no more questions, Dr. Pradeep, okay, we'll wait for a couple of minutes if anyone wants to raise anything more. Okay, Nick is still here.
Oh, he was there in meeting?
Yeah, he joined. Oh, no, I think he left. Oh, no, he's there. Nick, I invite you to share your thoughts with the team.
He's there, but he's not on his seat anymore. So.
Okay. All right. Okay.
We are waiting. Your camera is on. You are not on seat. Okay, no problem.
Great.
Okay.
All
okay,
right.
he has left, sir. He's not there in office.
Okay. All right. Vishnu, you have a question?
Yeah. Doctor, just a question regarding the form. If someone is taking, I'm talking about the Future Smart guaranteed product.
Mm-hmm.
if someone is
Yeah.
taking multiple plans, one application form and the addendum will be sufficient, right?
Correct. Yeah, sufficient. One
Okay,
form is
okay.
required. One
Okay,
documents, one forms, one piece of documents. Multiple addendum, you can use 100 policy details, that is enough.
Okay, okay, doctor. Thank you. Thank.
All right. Okay, I'll stop the record. Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Pradeep.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, quite an interesting one. Let's engage from time to time. I'm sure we would like to have this particular product as a part of almost our existing clients as well as the new ones who are coming in right now. I know as a single premium product, the commission will be low, but as you rightly said, it will be an entry product. From there onwards, I think we can sell them maybe a unit linked product later or any other, since we are, we have the complete suite of insurance products. We will be able to get many other cross-selling opportunities with the clients, right? Thank you once again. Thanks everyone for joining today. I will be sharing the illustration with you, and once I receive the scripts and let our compliance also vet it, and then we will send it across to every one of you. All right.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.